Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in Onlyfans using your Gmail account. Go to Chrome or Edge browser and then search for onlyfans.com. Now click on the first link which appears. What you need to do is go and click Login. Now, if you are logged into your account, press Logout and then go to Sign in with Google. Click on Sign in with Google and you can log in to one of your Gmail accounts. Press Continue and there you go. You have just signed in yourself with Gmail account in Onlyfans. Let me show it to you once again how you can sign in with your Gmail account in Onlyfans. First of all, go ahead and log out of your account. Now click on Sign in with Google. Then click on one of your Gmails with which you want to sign in your account and there you go. You have just signed in Onlyfans with your Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.